In this video, I'm going to be talking about IDO on Bybit. On this channel, I talk about token sales and how to make money with crypto. If this kind of video you are looking for also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. And right here, you just have to come this Web3 beside this launch pool and press this. And right here, this is the Flappymoonbird token, IDO token that is going to be launching in few days progress, and you have to view these details. And right here, this subscription is going to end in 3 days, 1 minute, 1 seconds. So then once you come over here, you'll find a button to subscribe now. Then you press and you find a button over here again at this time of this funding, Bybit funding account, for you to create external account on Bybit. So that's where you'll be sending your asset to. So you have to hold at least $200 worth of USDC in Ethereum Chain. So that's what you'll be doing, and total winning ticket is 500 and total redeem value $100 USDC per ticket. And here is the snapshot period. During this snapshot period from 10 a.m. UTC time on May 19, 2023 to 10 a.m. UTC time on May 22, 2023. And once this tokens period have end, redemption period, you will have chance to redeem your token and your allocation redemption before the deadline. And right here, this is the internal wallet. You just have to come here and send your asset to this wallet. Don't send your asset to this wallet. I'm just showing you like this. You are going to find your own wallet over here. Or if you want to transfer from your Bybit account within your account, you just have to come to this Bybit account, or better still go back and press this funding, and just have option to send money to yourself on this in this Bybit account. And that's what you'll be doing for you to be able to participate in this IDO on Bybit. If you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell.